The VPP chief, Arden Basayamoith, today said that the party is going to raise the issue of corruption, even at the national level. He said that several instances of corruption are being reported here in Meghalaya, but agencies like the CBI and the ED never investigate. Stating that they will replace regional parties in Meghalaya, he added that the MDA leaders should accept the mandate and resign gracefully.
Niladan banta yu briu jingi uban lefo Delhi ubakipa da legit ubanra ikiti kemat kum kakam bamsam baling im jingi bakandan ki ED ka CBI hagani ka chala kidon chibon ki kam bamsam balai tang sikui ki chala kani ru kadi goi ka bangin simkhia hagani ka party bangin ya kren baga government of India kumno bangin ya khun ya ka bamsam hagani ka chala if the leaders of the MDA still have a self-respect, they should have own moral responsibility and gracefully step down from the government.